We keep receiving message on a regular basis from banks asking us not to share your PIN, your password, your bank account details to others, and the banks don't ask for it. If you share these details, what happens? The fraudsters hack your account and take away the money. There is another type of fraud which is of more serious in nature, and many are not aware of it. Instead of taking away your money, what if someone offers you money? Someone comes and tells you, please deposit this money, this cash in your account, and we pay you something. And then you transfer it to the desired recipient. Or receive the money which is already there in some other account and then transfer it to your desired recipient. And if somebody accepts these offers, then they are acting as a money mule. Mule, in fact, is a hybrid animal born to a donkey and horse. Money mule is a person whose account is used to move illegal or crime money. And why do criminals need these accounts? One is to launder the money, the illegal money, which is money laundering, or to finance terrorists, which is terrorist financing. These two are serious crimes. Money laundering, in brief, is cleaning the dirty money or the proceeds of crime derived from crimes like corruption, bribery, drug trafficking, etc., by depositing this in the bank initially, mostly in the form of cash, then moving it to different persons, different locations, and in the third stage, bringing back the clean money and then investing in various businesses or buying luxury goods and articles. Terrorist financing is financing terrorist or terrorist organization to enable them to commit terrorist activities. As I said, both are serious crimes. If you want to know more about money laundering and terrorist financing, you can have a look at my video on AML and KYC regulations, the link to which is given in the first comment. So, in essence, a money mule is a person whose account is used to move this crime money. And if somebody is acting as a money mule, then they are part of this crime. In general, the money mules are innocent victims who are looking for some quick money or pocket money, like the college students. Now almost all the college students have access to bank accounts. Then the unemployed youth, the homemakers, the people belonging to the lowest state of society. And these criminals have very, very strong and sophisticated network of people to approach these innocent victims. They know the needs of these people and target them through the distantly known people. That is how these innocent victims fall a prey to these offers. The criminals approach these innocent victims through a distantly known person in most cases with the offer. One, they say, we will give you 48,000 cash. Why 48,000? It is below the threshold of 50,000, which will invite scrutiny by the bank officials. 50,000 and above, you have to submit PAN card, all these details. So they will keep it below that, 48,000. You can take 3,000. 45,000 you deposit in your account, and after a day or two, you send it to the recipient whose details we will give you. This is one. Second, they say, we will just transfer some amount to your account. You have to transfer it to the recipient details with you, and you get paid for this. There is one more method by which these criminals appoint a money mule. This is like they give an ad in a vernacular newspaper saying that work from home. What you need is a bank account, a PC with the internet connection. That's it. We pay you say 10,000 per month, and a limited work, only 2 to 3 hours per day. At the end of the month, we'll pay you salary, your 10,000. Along with that, we'll pay you some 45,000 cash. You have to deposit this amount into your account and then transfer it to the desired location. This is one. Second is, you have to just give your bank account credentials. We will operate it, and we pay you the 10,000 salary, very limited work. The second is more serious. These are the methods which these criminals use to make an innocent victim a money mule. And if a person is caught for having acted as a money mule, immediately all related bank accounts will be frozen. Then the investigation will start. The police, the enforcement directorate will come into the picture. There will be several round of interrogations. And then even if the person pleads innocent, saying that the person was not aware that it's a crime money, but legally the person is liable for having done this criminal act. Sometimes arrest may follow, and then passport is impounded. Getting a job is going to be very, very difficult because nowadays a background check is mandatory for even private sector jobs. So this stigma will be attached, and throughout the life, the person has to suffer for having acted as a money mule. Recently, it was reported in the Economic Times dated 23rd November 2025 that 8,50,000 mule accounts were identified in 700 different branches throughout the country, and all these accounts were frozen. The Reserve Bank has deployed an AI-generated tool called the Mule Hunter to identify suspicious mule accounts. And on average, around 20,000 accounts are being detected every month. Reserve Bank of India has taken this issue very seriously and has launched a public awareness campaign warning people about the dangers of becoming a money mule. One, don't accept cash from others for depositing into your account for transfer it to a third person. Second, don't allow others to deposit cash into your account asking you to transfer it to a third person. Third, don't receive transfers from other accounts for retransferring it to a third person. Fourth, in case you come across a money received in our account from a stranger, bring it to the notice of the bank and then retransfer it to the person who has sent it. As far as part-time jobs, most are genuine. You have to look for fake offers. The offers which is paying disproportionately higher salary than the work given, or they will pay the salary along with the some amount which will be in cash, and you have to deposit this into your bank account and transfer to some other account, or they will pay your salary, monthly salary, for giving the bank account credentials which they will use. This is very serious. The parents on that part have to suitably advise the students, particularly the college students who have access to bank accounts, to keep their accounts safe. So let's all keep our accounts safe and avoid being used as a money mule. Please share this video with all your near and dear ones. Bye.